sends the wicket number 4 back to the pavilion for Karimabad United, and this match really absolutely under some situation wherein the crowd and the waivers can have the glimpses. This is the game of cricket that is at its best. My witness, this is the quick succession of the wickets. At one stage, Karimabad United were looking in the hot favourites, but those quick 4 wickets, especially this very catch, what a catch that was from Mudassir, the skipper, who is known by the name of Sar, and he is leading as well. That catch has really broken the backbone of Karimabad United now. They are 4 wickets down with just 60 runs on the board. And absolutely, Karimabad United are under some serious pressure. The pressure is mounting on the batsmen now. The way the bowlers of, we can say, Sarilam and Kisrigam have fought well, and they have fought absolutely to the credit. The feathers are in their cap. They are biting. They are having the bites at the cherry. And who knows, they will also run away with the title, because this is the game of 2020. Shorter format is this. And when you have the low scoring match, especially in grand finale, don't take it easy, my dear. This is the grand finale, and it's a game of cricket that wins at the last. And this is what we are seeing at the moment. Really, the T20 cricket at its best.